So again, the next question is identify the customers who have booked the seats of travel class business for maximum number of times. Display customer ID and customer name of the identified customers. So I need to identify the customers who have booked the seats of travel class business for maximum number of times. So first, as I said, first you need to think on the first phrase. That is the requirement. Seats of travel class business for maximum number of times. Whenever you see maximum, average, minimum, sum, these things, you need to use a aggregate functions. Okay, that is very clear, right? Need to use a aggregate functions, and if you are using aggregate functions, obviously you need to use a group by class, right? Now I need to identify the customers who have booked the seats of travel class business for maximum number of times. Okay, so how you will approach this solution? You just think of it. How I will approach is that, obviously, as I said, I need to use a group by and I need to get the maximum of the booking. So first class I'll try to get the maximum number of book the seats for the travel class business for maximum number of times I need to get. So this query I will write first, then I'll have to get other things, right? So what I will do, simply I'll get select max of, what is that, bookings. Okay, max of bookings. So if you see in your booking table, I need to get the booking ID. If the booking ID is there, like, you will that is called maximum, right? So I'll call it as max of bookings, but before that, what I will see, I need to get the count of the bookings, right? Booking ID. So I'll get select count of booking ID as, I'll take it as bookings. Okay, from which table? From booking table I'll get. On what basis you need to do? If you again go here, identify the customer who have booked the seats. So for each customer I need to see, right? Bookings will be done by one customer, only one customer booking I need to do. So that is why on group by, what you need to do? Group by on which column you have to do? For each customer I need to find the count of booking ID. So I'll give the customer ID. Okay, so group by, I'll give the customer ID. Now run the query. So I have got all of them have customer ID, like most of the our customers have booked twice. Okay, but my requirement is there, another requirement is there. What is that? I need to get it for the class business. For the business class I need to get it, right? Okay, for the business class I need to get. If you want me to show my data again, I can go back and show the data. Okay, but first I need to get it for the, I need to use another condition, which is for the business class is equals to travel class is equals to business. So travel class is equals to business, from where you're getting actually from the booking only, right? So can I actually give a condition here from booking, where travel class equals to, I'm just asking you questions, like you will be thinking of it, how you can write, what are the issues you will face when you're writing a code. As I said, it's a puzzle. So again, travel class business, I have got 212. Okay, group by customer ID. Okay, now I need to see, and the customer who have booked the seats of travel class business for maximum number of times. So I need to get it maximum number of times, 2 times. Whoever booked it, I need to get it. So simply what I need to do is, obviously I need to use a subquery, right? I need to use a subquery. So for that, before customer details also I want, customer details you want, right? So that is why you need to join with the customer table. That is clear, right? So what I will do, select star from, I'll write it in capital letters, select star from booking. I'll give alias name B, booking B. I'll do the inner join, okay, with customer table C on what, booking ID or booking ID or customer ID, and which one you need to design. If you just see here, under here you are getting all the columns, C dot customer ID, B dot customer ID. Booking ID is there for booking only, not there. So obviously it is, see, this is like you will get automatically this pop-up will come. So I have to use a customer ID. So B dot booking ID I'll select equals to C dot, if I just wait here, it will show the, sorry, not the booking ID, customer ID. B dot customer ID equals to C dot customer ID. Okay. Again, now I'll simply keep that condition. What is that condition? Where travel class is equals to business. Go on mute, business. Now I need to actually like club this one. I need to get the maximum, right? Maximum of this one. So from here, actually what you can get is, if I want to get a maximum count, what I will write, select max of count. Okay. Max of, actually I have given it as a bookings, right? I'll just keep it as max of bookings. Okay. From this one, from select just subquery. Okay. Select max of bookings from, now you see you have got two. What is this query? This is again a nested subquery. I just got a max of the booking, which is actually 2. Now I need to club this here. These two queries I need to club. How you will club? Okay. Before get clubbing, I need to, from the customer ID, I need to get the from actual my go back to my question. Display the customer ID and customer name of the identified customer. So I need to get the customer ID and the customer name. Customer name is actually coming from the customer table. So simply you will write customer name, C dot customer name from, okay, where I have given. Now how you will get the max of bookings and how you will relate it? Any thoughts here? I need a response. What are your thoughts? How you will get the, I need to club this max of bookings to my this class. So obviously you need to use a subquery. So whenever you're using a subquery, max of bookings, if you're retrieving, you need to use that same column. So obviously you should have that where condition or condition. So you're using a aggregate function. Obviously you need to use a group by function also here. So what I will do in the group by, if you're using whatever the columns which is there in the select, you need to use it here in the group by class. So I'll just use this one. Now how I can club these two with the group. After group by, how you, what you have to use, you have to use a having class. So I'll say having count of B dot booking ID I'll take. Okay, booking ID equals to, okay, which is nothing but this max of booking is nothing but booking ID only, right? So I'll open a new, simple. If I run this one, you are getting these two customers, Robert and John. Okay. Now if I just go back to my first slide here, you observe here Robert C303 business class. Okay, C303 business class 2 times he has booked, and John C301 C301, C301, business, business has booked 2 times. So these two we are getting. Now you got this. So my question answer would be this one. Group by customer ID name. Simple, right? See how easily you got. Now you tell me like how you have written.
Yeah, okay. Up to group by almost same.
Yes.
Just after